PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 11th day of May. Hey, it's a familiar story, a moist air mass over the state. What's new? Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, from Jasper and Walker County, temperatures are mostly in the low 60s with a cloudy sky. That's the Inverness Skycam overlooking U.S. Highway 280 as seen from the Wingate Inn in North Shelby County. That's looking north. And on the eastern side of town, that's the Trussville Skycam on Chalkville Mountain Road. Water vapor satellite shot this morning, and again, we are on the southern edge of the westerlies. The surface boundaries get in here and they stall out. This morning, we had a stall front just below Montgomery. And north of that front, you can see a lot of clouds. And again, overrunning type rain is likely today, not really severe storms. Here's the radar at 5:02 this morning. And you can see a few showers here and there, nothing especially widespread. Don't expect any organized severe weather today in the fact that the air is relatively stable. But look at day 3. I thought that was interesting. This is Wednesday. The guys at HPC or SPC already have a moderate risk up for the area right around St. Louis, with a slight risk all the way from Abilene, Texas, up to Chicago. Be interesting to see how that pans out. That's a very strong shortwave, but the bulk of that will be headed up into Canada, bypassing us. So hopefully no major severe weather issues here this week. And there's the QPF, the expected rain through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1.5 inches here. And don't be shocked if some spots had more than that. We all know that in these tropical downpours, you can pick up that much in basically 1 hour. This is where we are today. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock. And again, we are right on the southern edge of the westerlies. Down below that, soupy air mass, some stall front down to the south. We'll forecast a good chance of showers, maybe some thunder, but again, severe weather not especially likely. Now, tomorrow we have been talking about drier air dropping in here, and boy, it's a close call now. Instead of the surface boundary pushing all the way to the Gulf Coast, sure enough, it doesn't move a lot, and the model is suggesting there still could be some rain south of Montgomery. It does look dry for the northern half of the state, but it's not a really big intrusion of dry air that's going to last long, because look at Wednesday, the moisture's back. And there's that very deep surface low moving through Canada. And that's the day where there could be some big severe weather problems for places like St. Louis and Chicago, but again, probably not here. Thursday, that deep surface low is up there around Hudson Bay. The trailing front is running from near Cincinnati down to about Oklahoma City. And again, we stay in a soupy air mass. Moist, chance of showers. Friday, that front never makes it here. Again, very tropical. A few showers likely during the day Friday. Will it rain all day? Of course not. No, and the sun might peek out at times, but that looks very showery. And starting off the weekend on Saturday, familiar scene, a lot of green showing up here. So really every day for the next 7 days, some risk of showers except maybe tomorrow. And Sunday, the same deal. Dry air as close as Memphis Monday of next week. The model tries to dry us out. It's been doing that for a couple of days. And again, more than likely in this kind of pattern, drying will be temporary, but there's some hope maybe for a quick shot of dry air a week from today. And at the end of the forecast on May the 26th, no really strong ridge here, no 588 height line. The 582 line, in fact, is below us. A little wavy looking there, and that looks kind of wet and showery, something that we are used to here so far this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.